The Riau Island is a province of Indonesia, distinct from its neighboring province, Riau Province, whose islands were separated in 2000. The province's capital is Tanjung Pinang and its largest city Batam. This country borders the Riau and Jambi Island to the east, the Bangka Belitung Island to the south, Singapore to the northeast, Malaysia and West Kalimantan to the west, and Vietnam and Cambodia to the north. This country consists of 1,796 islands spread Sumatera, the Malay Peninsula, and Kalimantan including the Riau Island, located on one of the world's busiest shipping lanes along the Strait of Malacca and the Natuna Sea or South China Sea. The province borders neighboring countries such as Singapore, Malaysia, and Brunei. The Riau Island also have relatively large potential for mineral and energy resources as well as marine resources. So, it is not surprising that the Riau Islands are called maritime islands, which are rich in their own unique culinary delights. Therefore, we will visit one of the districts in the Riau Island, Bintan Island, namely Bintan Regency. Bintan Regency, or originally Riau Island Regency, is an administrative region in the Riau Island Province, Indonesia. Bintan Regency covers the entire Bintan Island, except the city of Tanjung Pinang, which is managed separately as an autonomous region on the island, and also includes many remote islands including Tambelan Island and Badas Island are located between Bintan and West Kalimantan. In this video, we will see and test the typical maritime culinary food of the Riau Island in the Bintan district of the Riau Island, namely otak-otak.
Actually, the name otak-otak does not mean the brain in our heads, but otak-otak here means food. How come it's called otak-otak? The beginning of the name otak-otak is actually the term otak-otak, which means chatting or hanging out. From the past until now, this food has been a snack that is always there when we are relaxing or chatting with friends. It has even become a habit when we eat. At the seafood restaurant, we will be served otak-otak before the main menu we order arrives. Here, we will go to the Bintan district, more precisely the Kawal area. In the Kawal area, there are several places selling otak-otak, and one of them is at the Wani Otak-otak coffee shop. The Wani coffee shop has two types of otak-otak at different prices. Tastes even better than grilled shells. Okay, let's just taste it. First, there is the otak-otak fish. The otak-otak fish is made from mackerel fish. The otak-otak has a balanced taste of spicy, salty, and sweet and is added to the taste of grilled and smoky flavors. While the second otak-otak is otak-otak putih. This otak-otak is made from cuttlefish, has a taste that tends to be sweet and has a quite strong coconut taste, and also has a distinctive grilled and smoky taste. Okay, that's all from our video about the typical maritime culinary delights of the Riau Islands, especially Bintan Regency. However, from this video, we can find out that each region definitely has its own special food, which is definitely delicious and has its own unique taste. Thank you for watching until the end. See you next time. Bye.